Hello, yeah, I'm Georgespratz and I'm in town once again. Anytime you see me, it's good news. Yes, I'm going to open the secrets of the fretboard to you. Wow, this is an easy way and a good way and a quick one on how to create chords instantly on melodies in church. How to create chords instantly on melodies in church. Assuming I have a song like this, I usually would like to go for a common song, you know. Okay, I think this should be good. Oh, how I love Jesus. See. Oh, how I love Jesus. E minor. Oh, how I love Jesus. Because he first loved me. Wow, the key is very low. Oh, see. How I love Jesus. J. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Because he first loved me. I know the chords, then the next thing is to find out the melody. And as a beginner or as a guitarist who is trying to explore, I would have to first try and play the melody across the 5 shapes of the key system. I should be able to do that. The beginner starts with try and error. So you know this is the first shape of C of the key system. This is the second shape of it. This is the third shape, the G shape, then the C at E, and then C at D. Each one is independent on the other. You know what I mean is each one is a territory on its own, and within that territory you can do whatsoever you want within any of those territories. So in the C major scale, you have to find out your major scale there. And then in this, you do the same thing. Not to change that, so don't worry. I have lessons on this in some of my videos. You can, I mean, there are many, so you can just go through them and you get this particular lesson. You know, so if you know your scale within the 5 major compartments, then you try and play the melody within every shape. So here, I'm going to try Oh How I Love Jesus with try and error. I know it already, but you will do it with trial and error. So far sometimes I play D. C shape. And when I come to the A shape, I should do this. I should be able to do the same thing. When I come to the G shape, I should do the same thing. And in the E shape and then the D shape, I should be able to do that. But if I want to create or form chords, easy chords, instantly in worship, in church, then I should learn some important chord shapes. Instead of playing the melody within just one particular shape, I should spread the melody in a way that I can easily form my chords on. So I will usually start forming the melody on the second string only. Let's see how I go about it. So I'll start mi, re, mi, do, do. So mi here, mi, then re, mi, do, do, re, re, do, re, mi, so, fa, mi, re, mi, do, 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 re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. This is it, only the second string. I did that because I know when I have a mi here, there are so many chords I can form on this particular mi here. I can form this C. The mi is part of it. I can form the C major 7th. I can form the C6. I can form the B minus 11 chord over the mi. Can form so many chords. So I'll pick this mi. So I'll get the first one is mi, then re. In doing this, we don't harmonize all the notes. You can harmonize them alright, but sometimes you have to leave some single. So mi, re. I can on the re I can form a G on the re, but I can also play it singly. So do is this. I form A minor. I can form A minor. I can form C. I can form C7. You see, over this same do. This is beautiful, right? So then re. On the re, I can form a B diminished 7th chord. I can also form a G over this re. Then so is E dim. Then to fa I form D minor. I'm giving you examples so that you can do this on your own without me. So I know C major 7th, A minor. Then A minor, if I'm thinking of the melody as a D, and I can play A dominant 7. Then re, J, or B diminished. E minor 7 flat 5 or E diminished to D minor. Is that not simple and easy? Then again. Then the next melody. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. On the re, I can form a dominant. I can form D dominant 7th chord over the re, or I can form B diminished 7th chord. They both work depending on the voice I'm looking for. So So you know I can have my melody on the second string. I can play it. Okay. So this is not for you. Come and learn. Come and pay something later and learn this. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? My name is Georgespratz and I'm in town. I give lessons to beginners, to intermediate students, to advanced students. So wherever you are on this continent, it's possible. Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Give me a call, text me, and I'll respond at the appropriate time if I'm busy. Yes. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, a golden opportunity for you to subscribe. Because we have beautiful stuff here. Don't look anywhere for further studies. Pick the numbers, give Georgespratz a call, and let's do it. This year promises to be good ones for those serious ones. See you again and soon.